Good morning, or buongiorno. It's day 4 of our holiday in Montesini here in Italy. Today we're going off to San Gimignano and Siena. So if you want to join us on that trip, it's an early breakfast, so it's an early start again. So if you want to join us, please come and watch this video and we'll see you when we get to our first stop. Bye for now. They've opened breakfast doors. See you in a bit. Right, so we're here. We're at San Gimignano. I can't say it properly, but it's Hilltop town, and of course it's raining. Did give rain and thunderstorms today actually, so it's not too bad. But it looks like it might brighten up a bit. So if you want to join us, we'll be walking up to the top once we've all grouped together to have a look round at San Gimignano. See you in a bit. Good view from up here. There's the entrance to the town. Just waiting for the rest of the group to get up. Oh, it's a nice little place, isn't it? Yeah. San Gimignano. San Gimignano. Say it right.
Gimignano. Take a picture.
That's a view down the side of the defensive wall. Right, time to explore. That's where we are, San Gimignano.
San Gimignano.
Right, we're inside the city walls. I know. Wow. So this is the square of the well, isn't it? So this is the square of the well, isn't it? I don't know what it is in Italian, but that's the square of the well. And there's the well. What a lovely little place. Every corner you turn. How many towers did you say it got?
Well, originally it had 72.
72 towers, yeah.
I think she said now there's 9.
Yeah.
I think there's 9 remaining.
Right, we'll go and have a look in the church. It's very nice in there, but you can't take any photos or videos. So you'll have to come yourself and have a look at it. The market. Yes, it's going to be like a little maze this. We're going to go off Main Street and it's a good view from up here. over the rooftops. So I'm glad we decided to come on this excursion. It was an optional excursion, so this is a beautiful place, so I can't wait to see Siena. Well, we'll carry on exploring. We'll have a walk into this little bit. It looks like it's part of the defences, centre of the town. We'll have a look in this area. Looks like it was like a stage as well. Looks like it would have been a central defensive area where they all took shelter just in case the outer walls were breached. Another well in the middle here. So there's the other well. Wonder if this goes up to the defence wall. Very steep steps. That's a good view. See all the vineyards on the hillside. Olive trees below here. It's terrace, like a terrace garden.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
It's like it might go around the wall and back down. Should we go down that way?
Can do.
So we're outside the inner defence. You get some good views from up here though, don't you? So back to where the little market was, or is, I should say. So if we do a left down here, see as much as we can while we're here. Hey? The bells are here to welcome us. Is it legal over here then, cannabis? Must be if they got a cannabis shop. Looks like we're looking for a new dress. Her daughter's wedding next year. I think she's found one. Yes or no?
Yeah, I love it, absolutely love it. I'm just making sure that, because they've got like little bits on them, you know, but they're all one size, so it doesn't matter.
It's because I go
It's not got any
going for
So that's it. Wedding dress for next year.
Yeah, but you know what's got to come
You want handbag now?
Yes, and shoes.
Handbag and shoes. Here we go, handbag shop next.
No, we're on a
Handbag shop.
€45.
Yeah.
Then I'll wrap that round.
We're not sure about handbag. We could be having another look on the way back up. Unless another handbag shop further down. It's got some very nice shops, I must admit. So this is the outer gate on the lower part of the town. At least it's brightened up now. We might as well explore a bit off this centre road that goes right through, won't we? Round the back streets. Like I say, it's a lot quieter around this bit now. Another well. So that must be another church. Well in the middle of the square. They've been impressive with all the towers it used to have. Well, we'll have a look in the church. Open square. Yeah, can do one that round. Oh no. What we're seeing. Well, that's more money spent. A painting. Work his way back to the other gate, the meeting point gate. It's getting a little bit busy now. Karen's got one of the world famous ice creams. How many years? 200 years?
I ain't got a clue.
I think she said it was 200 years they've been going. So we'll see what their ice cream's like. Make sure we go the right gateway. This is the panorama view. What a beautiful little place. You could spend all day wandering around these little side streets. We've only got a couple of hours, well, 2.5 hours. Better work my way back to the meeting point. Karen's looking in more shops. We'll have a slow walk down. We certainly got busier. And got a museum of torture. Right.
Right. See you in a bit.
That's it, we're in another handbag shop. I think we've purchased one. So that's it, handbag chosen. So that's the dress and the handbag. Will it be shoes next?
Yeah, I've got the sandals.
No, she's got sandals, she says. She's got sandals. Right, so here's the meeting point, the other side of the gate.
Quite some in there, aren't there? Wedding dress, wedding bag. See,
You've got a lot more shops in Siena. So another more museum of torture there. So that's 2 museums of torture. Right, so that's it from here. We'll probably end this video here with that panoramic behind me. And we'll see you when we get to Siena. I'm not sure whether Siena might be a different video. If you've liked what you've seen, don't forget, do the normal YouTube stuff. And we'll see you in the next video, which will be Siena. Bye for now.